Hey y'all, welcome back to SipBiteGo, where we are giving traditional recipes a smoky barbecue twist, and today I'm showing you how to make smoked spaghetti squash pasta. This is a great low-carb option, but it's totally satisfying. It's great as just any side dish to any barbecue you have going on. You'll see how I make it at the same time as making smoked 3-2-1 ribs. So let's get in the kitchen and learn how to turn spaghetti squash into a mouth-watering smoked pasta dish. Perfect for any meal. Set the smoker to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it come up to temp while you grab your spaghetti squash, cut it in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds, then brush the inside, each half with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then sprinkle it with your favorite barbecue rub for some extra flavor. Spaghetti squash doesn't have a ton of flavor naturally, so really load it up. Then add on some small pats of butter inside the squash, which is going to help create rich, smoky flavor when it melts into the squash as it cooks. Place the spaghetti squash on the smoker, cut side facing up, and let it smoke for about 4 hours. Time to check. You'll know it's done when the strands are really easy to pull out with the fork. Definitely don't rush it at all. I would rather have it super tender and every single strand pulling off of that spaghetti squash than rush it. This is definitely a low and slow smoker recipe, but it is completely worth it, and I love having a spaghetti squash around the house for when the time comes up when we're smoking something over quite a few hours, like a chicken or like pork that you see here. When we have that, that's a perfect time to throw in some spaghetti squash. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to make with smoked spaghetti squash, and that is just a really simple pasta dish. So once all of the strands are completely out, you definitely kind of want to fluff it right like rice. You don't want to put it just in the fridge like this cold to harden. Make sure that you fluff it up before storing it. But really, this is so good hot out of the smoker. So now it's time to heat up a few cups of marinara sauce, whatever your favorite is. I do love a traditional sauce or a vodka sauce. So I go ahead and heat that up in a pan on the stove. Just use some store-bought to kind of get it done fast. And then put that right on top of the spaghetti squash. I think it's nice because of all the barbecue flavors in the squash to just serve the sauce on the top instead of really incorporating it in. Definitely finish it off with a little Asiago cheese or some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I really think you can never have too much, just add so much flavor. So then you are ready to dig in. This is such a yummy side dish, really underrated to smoke squash in the Traeger. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Also head over to SipBiteGo because I have a really great recipe for smoked acorn squash that involves maple syrup and other tasty things. I also have a smoked butternut squash on there as well. So I will see you. Definitely stay tuned for more SipBiteGo smoker recipes. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!